Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic with 54,282 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and a CB radio. It's been upgraded with axle caps, grips, an aftermarket headlight and passing lamp visors, front turn signal trim, chrome floorboard covers, a primary cover, timing cover, fuel door cover, radio trim, chrome rear bumper, front fender trim, passenger grab handles, an aftermarket seat, and speaker trim. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Tri-Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Tri-Glide has a 228 to 240 mile range. It has a 27.1 inch seat height and a dry weight of 1,157 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds, and both rear tires are at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the rear fender, fiberglass damage on the rear fender, and paint chips on the rear fender. This trike has an owner's manual, 3 keys, and 2 fobs. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.